In this lecture, we are going to discuss how to estimate the error in fixed point iteration method. Okay, so today's topic is estimation of error in fixed point iteration method, or it is also said that this is linear iteration method or method of iteration, right? And in this method, here we take the equation which are maybe algebraic or maybe transcendental. This equation is given by fx equal to 0, and this is relation number 1. Let alpha be the exact root of this equation, but we cannot find the exact value of the root, that is, we cannot find the value of alpha. So we have to find the approximate value of alpha by this method. Okay, so there must be some error in each of the approximation, and in this method we already said in the previous class, we first write or reset this equation in the form of x equal to phi of x. Okay, and we know that in iteration method the formula of iteration or scheme of iteration is given by xn plus 1, this is equal to phi of xn, and xn plus 1 is the n plus 1th approximation of alpha, that is n plus 1th approximation of exact root. And we also know and discuss in the class of convergence of iteration method, here this method is convergent only when the derivative of phi of x, that is phi dash x, must be less than 1. Okay, this is the condition of convergence. Now here we let in n plus 1th approximation epsilon n plus 1 be the error, and the error at the n plus 1th approximation is given by epsilon n plus 1, this is equal to alpha minus xn plus 1. Okay, and since alpha be the exact root, so here we write alpha, this is equal to phi of alpha, and we write here this is phi of alpha minus xn plus 1 means phi of xn, phi of xn. Okay, now using Lagrange mean value theorem, we write this result as mod of alpha minus xn into phi dash xi, right, where xi n lies between alpha and xn, that is the mean value of alpha and xn. We get this result by using Lagrange mean value theorem, and this result can be also written as mod of alpha minus xn into mod of phi dash xi. Okay, and we already say the condition of convergence is phi dash x less than 1. So we here take phi dash x, this is less equal to m, this is less than n. So we can put this value m in the place of phi dash xi, because this relation is hold for all x belongs to the neighborhood of the root alpha, that is the neighborhood of the exact root alpha. So we get this is less equal to mod of alpha minus xn into m, right? Now we also rewrite this relation as mod of alpha minus xn plus 1 plus xn plus 1 minus xn into m, that is by the property of modulus we get this result as alpha minus xn plus 1 plus mod of xn plus 1 minus xn into m, right? And it is clear that this relation is nothing but this is epsilon n plus 1 also, because epsilon n plus 1, this is equal to mod of alpha minus xn plus 1, and here n multiplied by n, and let this value is hn, so this is mod hn into n. where mod hn this is equal to mod of xn plus 1 minus xn. That is, hn is the sequence of difference between two successive approximations. Here xn is the nth approximation of the root and xn plus 1 is the n plus 1th approximation. Right? Now we write this relation as 1 minus m into epsilon n plus 1 less equal to mod of hn into m, right? And since m is less than 1, so this must be positive, so we can write epsilon n plus 1 less equal to mod of hn into m by 1 minus n. Okay, and we say that at the stage of n plus 1th approximation, the maximum error in this method is given by this. And what is the value of hn? Hn is the difference of n plus 1th approximation and nth approximation of the exact root. Okay, and this is the expression of error estimation or estimation of error of fixed point iteration method. Okay, now we will coming soon with the next class of this method. Thank you for watching.